Yo guys, what's up today? Today's video lesson, as you can probably see from the title, is should you always make a trade or something along those lines. Haven't quite created the title yet, but will, of course, by the time you guys have seen this. But today's basically knowing when not to take a trade. Sometimes you don't always have enough time. Like I said, I was writing paper and stuff like that for school last night, and I was finishing it up this morning. And basically, as I was basically sitting here typing it, as you can see, I have windows open here with papers, and I was typing and I was looking at the charts as well. I wasn't really seeing anything I liked this morning, and this one BPTH popped up, and it's up quite a bit. So I was just sitting here and I was wondering if this was actually going to be able to play. This was the one I was thinking of, but I really wanted it to consolidate here and kind of instead of just falling from here. So it basically ran up and then fell too soon. There wasn't really much profit wise because I would have probably got in on this pop. I do that a lot lately, or I've been doing that a lot lately. And then there's only like 12 cents of downside, so not really huge margins for profit. So I didn't take a trade today. I focused on just writing my papers, getting the stuff done that I have to get done. Um, and then yeah, guys, it's literally just knowing when to take a trade and when not to take a trade. Remember risk reward ratio. This was more risk. I mean, yes, I knew it would probably fall down a little bit more, but once it hits that bottom, it's gonna bounce more than likely. And where was that bottom at? And I always do this first green candle on these ones that pop up. I usually watch it for it to be around in here, and at that point, $1.87. That's really not much profit at all. That's what I based it off of. So I watched the market open, and I didn't really do anything. I just sat here and watched. Shh. Sorry, guys, my dog. I'm sure there was plenty of opportunities out there. I mean, look at all these on the scanners um, that ran up, but I just didn't pull the trigger this morning. I didn't see there was a need to. I'm starting to get pickier and pickier, which I believe is a good thing about what I trade. Yesterday, of course, was a screw up when it came down to I listened to somebody else. And remember, guys, never do that. Absolutely never actually listen to somebody else telling you what is going to happen with that stock. If you guys get watch lists and stuff like that, if you guys are on mine, um, I have actually quit telling you guys which way I think it's going to go. I just give you guys the tickers because I want you guys to think for yourself. I want to be able to give you guys the tickers and hey, quit. I want to give you guys the tickers and then you guys be able to think for yourself and figure out what you want to do with that stock, what way you guys think it's going to go based off technical, based off news, and stuff like that. It's all off of your own analysis and your own DD. So with that being said, choose your trade. Most of you guys, I'm sure, are under PDT rule. So when you guys only have 3-day trades, overnight holds are a big thing for you guys when trying to grow your account. But you guys can also do, not right now. Don't know what that is. But with that being said, all you guys have to do is just make sure you guys are looking for setups that you guys know that work, that you guys have used, and if you're new, setups that you've seen other people teach you and that you see over and over and over again. And those setups do happen. Sometimes you have to tweak your strategy just a tiny bit. But other than that, things stay pretty much the same. Sometimes there's not as many plays. Usually that happens around in the summer. But with that being said, thank you guys all for watching this video. Remember, take smart trades, calculate your risk. What I would do is I write down trades usually in my notes over here, or some people do note cards. I've seen Tim Bowen, which is a guy off of Stocks to Trade. He does a card. I do not have Stocks to Trade just because I think it's too expensive, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. I did the free trial. I like the software. I just can't get myself to spend that much. But anyway, guys, write down your trades, plan them out, learn, plan, profit. It's seriously a great thing to do. So, with that being said, thank you guys for watching the video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you would subscribe, and that way you guys get my daily uploads that I've been trying to do, or at least I'm going to make sure to get at least 3 videos a week. This will be, I believe, the third this week. So, but I plan on doing another video tomorrow. Hopefully I trade tomorrow. So with that being said, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.